Many dancers think that turnout is just something that you're born with and really can't be changed. But how does it really work? We want to keep these relaxed. We're going to focus on spiraling the thigh bone in the socket. If the leg is rotating and you are not using your glutes, you are using the right muscles. Over the last 20 years as a physiotherapist for dancers, I've seen thousands of dancers transform their turnout, no matter their age or level. Really connect your left glute and your right lat. Finding that rotation. The key is to personalize your exercises to what your hips need. In this course, I'll give you a complete guide to maximizing your turnout. First, we test your turnout. Second, we check your results. And third, I give you personalized exercises. After decades of working on perfecting this process, I'm now so excited to be able to share this entire process with you in this dance masterclass.